Ever pondered why a walk in the woods or a stroll by the sea has the uncanny ability to instill a sense of peace within us? Why does the sight of a blooming flower, the sound of a babbling brook, or the smell of fresh rain on grass seem to soothe our senses and calm our minds? There's a story from my childhood that I often find myself revisiting. It's about an old man named Elias, who lived in a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea. Elias had a deep connection with the natural world, one that was so profound, it was almost magical. Elias was known throughout the village for his radiant vitality and unshakable serenity. He would rise with the sun, spend his days tending to his garden, and his evenings watching the sunset from his porch. Elias seemed to be in tune with the rhythm of nature, and this harmony seeped into every aspect of his life. One day, a group of city dwellers visited the village. They were astounded by Elias's vitality and asked him what his secret was. With a twinkle in his eye, Elias replied, "Nature, my friends, is my secret." He explained that the secret to his serenity was his connection with nature. He found peace in the whispering wind, vitality in the blooming flowers, and wisdom in the flowing river. He spent time every day in his garden, not just to tend to the plants, but to connect with the earth. He watched the sunset not merely for its beauty, but to appreciate the day's end and await a new dawn. Elias's story is a reminder that nature is not just a backdrop to our lives, but a vital part of it. Our connection with nature is intrinsic and essential. It's where we come from, where we thrive, and ultimately, where we return. Nature nurtures us, providing us with air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and resources to build our homes. It inspires us with its endless variety, beauty, and resilience. It teaches us about cycles, change, growth, and decay, mirroring the very processes of our own lives. Moreover, nature has a profound impact on our mental and physical well-being. It has the ability to calm our minds, uplift our spirits, enhance our creativity, and improve our health. Spending time in nature can reduce stress, increase happiness, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. In essence, nature is not just a part of our environment, but a part of us. It's a source of sustenance, inspiration, and healing. It's a teacher, a healer, a muse, and a sanctuary. It's a connection that we need to nurture and cherish, not just for our own well-being, but for the well-being of the earth as well. So the next time you find yourself in nature, take a moment to fully experience it. Breathe in the fresh air, listen to the sounds, observe the colors and patterns, feel the textures, and savor the tranquility. Connect with nature, appreciate it, and let it nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Remember, like Elias, we too can find serenity, vitality, and wisdom in our connection with nature. We just need to take the time to nurture that connection. To summarize, our connection with nature is essential for our well-being. It provides us with sustenance, inspiration, and healing. It teaches us about life, inspires us with its beauty, and nurtures our body, mind, and spirit. So take a moment to appreciate nature, connect with it, and let it nurture you. After all, nature is not just a part of our environment, but a part of us.